Alright, let's talk about the Tesla Model 2. Yes, that's the rumored $9,919 electric car everyone's buzzing about. If you've ever thought EVs were just for the elite, this might be the moment that changes everything. So what's the big deal? Why is the Model 2 getting so much attention? Let me break it down. First, the headline. Tesla isn't just slapping a lower price tag on an old design. The real magic is in how they want to build it. Imagine a car factory, but instead of one long assembly line where every car moves from station to station, everything happens in parallel. This new approach is called the Unboxed process. Basically, teams work on big sections of the car, like the front, the back, and the electronics, all at once. When those pieces are ready, boom, they snap together like giant Lego blocks. Why does this matter? Traditional assembly lines are kind of like dominoes. If one part has a hiccup, the whole line can grind to a halt. That's expensive. But with this new parallel system, if one team hits a snag, everyone else keeps moving. More efficiency means less wasted time, and that's what drives the cost down. Now, let's talk about hardware. Tesla's aiming to keep the guts of the car the same across different models. That means fewer custom pieces, and less chance for things to go wrong. Want more features? Instead of building them in, Tesla can add upgrades later with software. So you pay for what you want, when you want it. Customization is getting a makeover too. Instead of a dizzying menu of colors and interiors, Tesla's simplifying the options. Fewer choices on the factory floor means fewer mistakes, faster production, and you guessed it, lower costs. Now, I've seen the number $9,999 floating around, and let's be clear, that's a rumor. Tesla hasn't confirmed it, but even if the Model 2 lands somewhere close, this would shake up the entire auto industry. It's not just about making EVs cheaper, it's about making them mainstream. Think about it. Lower prices, faster production, and cars that get better over time with software updates. We're not just talking about a new car, this could be the start of a new era in transportation. So, is the $9,999 Tesla Model 2 finally here? Maybe not today, but with these factory changes, it feels closer than ever. And if it happens, it won't just change Tesla, it could change how the world drives. Would you switch to an EV if they hit that price point? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech deep dives.